Good morning, well, good afternoon, and we are back in
Skegness
for another Butlins trip. So we've got the deal again with a £54 deal for the whole week at Butlins, in an upgraded room this time, not the standard room we did last year. So it's going to be a really quick vlog today because we've got early check-in from 1, it's just gone 1 now, so we're going to give you a quick tour of the check-in and the room and a quick look around the site.
Oh, that needs a wash.
Hiya, checking in.
Do you know where you're going?
That way.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Care.
Cheers.
Have a great stay.
Thank you. There we are, it's the fairground. Do you want to go on the carousel?
No, I don't want to go on the carousel.
I don't think she will.
You won't go on that.
No, too high.
Too high.
So we've got early check-in from 1, it's now like 20 to 2.
Well, you wanted your breakfast at Tesco.
Yes. Never mind, I'm here now, on the right side. Talking. Oh, yeah.
Name, please.
Scott Trainer.
Sorry?
Scott Trainer.
Scott Trainer, thank you. Where are you? Definitely sitting. There we go. And your postcode, please.
It's
Lovely. So we've got 2 adults. So we've got wristbands for you both. They need to be worn at all times, okay? Key cards are in here. You can get into accommodation now because you're early check-in. You've also got dining. That's from 4:30 till 7.
Yep.
Okay.
Lovely.
Right. So to get to your accommodation, you come out this car park here. Turn left to the top of the road. Angelfish is the 3rd block along.
Brilliant.
Thank you, Dave.
Thank you very much.
You have a lovely time.
And you.
Thank you.
Cheers. Thank you.
Thanks.
Cheers.
And to go open the door then, not the window.
So that was the drive-through check-in. Nice and easy. Where are we? Starfish Key, did you say?
I don't know, it's just sealed the envelope.
Sealed the envelope. So we'll do what we normally do. We'll park at the end and then unpack and go and find it.
Yeah, Starfish Key.
Starfish And not, yeah, there's always ample parking at the end, isn't there, rather than going all the way round to the other side. That'll do. Right, we'll get unpacked and we'll bring you back to go and check out the room.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, watching out for piles. Starfish Key. Let's just go and have a look at the sign. Ooh, bloody hell. Thank you. Right, here's Starfish Key. We're at Angelfish Court, so we are here. And we need to go
Back.
there. So we need to go along. Well, if we cut through here,
Yep.
and right at the back, and we're at 1, 2, 3, was it?
Yeah.
So we're right at the back over there. Okay. Hope you can remember that map, because I can't.
Literally on the end of the thing. Go right to the end of it.
What's this one? You notice how much bigger the seagulls are here.
Still not as big as that.
There we are, Angelfish Court, straight ahead. Yeah. Oh, I know they've been doing a lot of work on a lot of these, and these ones look like they've been done up since we were last there. Look,
Yeah.
that one's still going to be done.
We're doing
That
these
one's
ones
still
up.
done. These ones have been done up, which is good. Angelfish Court. 1, 2, 3. Let's see if we've got ground floor. We're up there at the top, what, 121 to 127. Right, we've made it up the stairs. There we are. 1, 2, 3. There we go, this is the silver room, the upgraded rooms. So as you come in, got a bedroom with 2 single beds off to the side. Here's the bathroom. You don't get towels, so we get the bath mat, so remember to bring towels. And soap. And here's the main bedroom. So you also get a welcome pack, and inside that you get details of anything you've got. Like we have the dining plan, your Butlins cards for entrance to the room and the site, and your meal plan, a couple of wristbands. So these are the Butlins bands that you have to wear. It's kind of nice to collect them all, blue, green, red, all the colours. But it's yeah, but it's something I really wish they'd do away with, to be honest with you, because these bands are fabric. Once they're clipped on, they really are not designed to come back off. You pretty much have to cut them off, and you have to wear them at all times. So you are showering in these bands, going to the toilet in these bands, eating in these bands, and I just don't find it very hygienic, especially as you've already got your passes for your door, gate entry, your meal plan, all right here in your cards. I really wish Butlins would do away with these. So we're going to head off out in a minute and get a coffee at the Costa. Just a really quick vlog today to show you the silver rooms. Now last year we did the standard rooms in September. Not much difference to this, to be honest with you, but it was only about £2 more at the minute to get the silver rooms as it was the standard. We only paid £54 from Monday to Friday for the silver room. It drops that price around 2 weeks of the year, one time normally in March and one time in September, so it's a really good deal. You can't even get a Premier Inn for a night for that price. But we did have a couple of additions, so we paid extra £20 for early check-in at 1 instead of 4, I think it is, which was worth it because you beat all the queues coming in. As you could see, there were plenty of trolleys available to put the luggage on. It's just a bit quieter for getting around and getting into your room. We also added the meal plan, the premium dining plan. So they do a standard, a premium and a dine around, I believe. So the premium gives you the deck and the yacht club at premium times as well. So 8 till 10:30 for breakfast and 4:30 till 7 for dinner. Really good food in the deck, we've had that many times. Yacht club really good for breakfast, and the deck really good for dinner. They also do another one where you can get any of the restaurants on site, like the steakhouse, the Italian or Papa John's as it is now. Obviously there's about 3 or 4, about 5 restaurants on site. So yeah, that's the room tour. First impressions of the room, it has been newly decorated because they're doing a lot of work on...
The outside has been decorated.
Well, the outside's been decorated because that was looking really run down for a good few years in the silver rooms, and they have been doing work on it. It's looking a lot better now than what it used to. The inside isn't bad, you know, a couple of dings on the furniture as you expect in a hotel room. The electric heaters look a little rusted but are still working. They have painted the inside of the rooms and put new pictures up, and the bed feels quite comfy. All in all, what do you think, Ken, to the room?
It's good. Good.
It's good, isn't it? It's a nice base out in the Lincolnshire coast to jet off to all different locations.
You're in the middle, aren't you?
Yeah. Right, so tomorrow what we've got coming up, we've got an experience day where we get to meet a panther, feed a panther, play with a panther, maybe. At Lincolnshire Wildlife Park, which Kaylee's been saving for. We've got a deal on that, so that's going to be exciting, and we'll see what the rest of the week brings us. But thanks very much for watching. This is just a quick room tour, and don't forget to like and subscribe.